Using Warehouse 15 by Cleverence, you can create and fill in a document directly from your mobile device, and it will instantly sync with the back-office ERP system. Perfect for local deliveries, shipments from a friendly supplier, when paper documents arrive together with the goods. Now, let's dive into how it works in Warehouse 15. Start by choosing the correct warehouse. In our case, it's the Cleverence warehouse. Scan the location where you want to store the goods. Then, scan the product's barcode. Since this product has a serial number, the app will prompt you to enter it. Simply scan the serial number and the product will be saved to the correct location. Scan the next storage location, then scan the next product. If this product comes with a batch, select the correct batch from the list, then enter the quantity. Save the item. For items without additional parameters, like a series or serial number, just scan the product, enter the quantity, and store it. Now let's place the same item into the first location. Scan the location, scan the product again, and enter the quantity. The product is now stored in 2 different locations. Submit the document to the ERP. Before finalizing, the app reminds you to select the vendor. Choose the vendor, then submit the document to the ERP system. Let's open the document in our Odoo system. As we can see, all 3 items are listed, along with the storage locations and additional details like serial numbers and batch series. That's it.